Okay, dear first year BSc students, the second sem of Sri Siddhartha First College. I am Dr. Jayprakash. Talking from uh, actually from my native, and I want to teach you some of the reactions of properties of alcohol. Before that, I want to discuss some reactions, some of the preparation reactions of primary, secondary, and tertiary alcohols. In the last class, I was talking about the classification of alcohols, which you might have seen in that notes, which is already posted in your in the group. And what is primary, secondary, and tertiary? What type of alcohols are there? How it can be classified? Okay, these are things I told you. And preparation of alcohols, I told you how to prepare the alcohol by using Grignard reagent. And the second reaction I was telling the reduction of aldehydes and acids by using corresponding respective reducing agents. So this I was telling in the last class, and whatever I am talking, it is with you in this YouTube and YouTube channel, and you can again and again you can see it whenever you are free. Okay, and a set of notes also I send already to your group, which is not so clear. Some of the pages are not clear. I also know it, and I will clarify it, and I will give you other sets of notes whenever we meet together. Dear students, in the preparation of alcohols, I told you two reactions. One is by using Grignard reagent, and another one is the reduction of acids or aldehydes in the last class. Similarly, when you take an ester also, ester means the compounds containing COO group. COO group. That is ester. Example CS3COO C2H5. Ethyl acetate. So similarly, methyl acetate also, you can say like that. Ethyl acetate is there, methyl acetate is there. Like you take an ester, they can take an example of ester, you take an example, and ester you can reduce by the use of strong reducing agents by using lithium aluminum hydride. So reaction, clearly reaction. One ester, take an ester and which is reacting with a strong reducing agent, lithium aluminum hydride, you are getting an aldehyde. CH3COO C2H5. Okay, so which is reduced into CH3COOH and C2H5OH, like that. So it can be reduced. It can be reduced by using a strong reducing agent. This is another method of preparation of. I will tell you once again one and all. So this is one type of reaction. Preparation. So if from ester also you can prepare, from acid also you can prepare, which already I mentioned. Acid is reduced by a strong reducing agents. Acid is reduced by strong reducing agent. Strong reducing agent, so that will be converting into, strong reducing agent can be converting into, strong reducing can be used, strong reducing agents, lithium aluminum hydride can be used to reduce acid into primary alcohols. So I am repeating once again the preparations. Please listen it. One is the reaction. First reaction is the reaction between an aldehyde and Grignard reagent, followed by hydrolysis, which I told you in the last class. Example: HCHO plus CH3MgI. Okay, you are getting an addition compound which is on hydrolysis. You will be getting. Okay, what I am telling is an aldehyde HCHO with Grignard reagent. If you hydrolyze the addition product, you will be getting the first alcohol, that is CH3OH. Second alcohol CH3CH2OH also you can prepare by taking corresponding corresponding aldehyde. CH3CHO. You take CH3CHO, an aldehyde. First one is HCHO, formaldehyde. Second one is acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde reacts with Grignard reagent, followed by hydrolysis. You are getting the second alcohol, CH3CH2OH, like that. Primary alcohol can be prepared from aldehydes. Similarly, if you take a ketone can react with Grignard reagent, forming addition product, which can be hydrolyzed into secondary alcohols, isopropyl alcohol, like that. So primary and secondary alcohols can be prepared by using Grignard reagents. So that is first reaction. Second reaction is, I'll tell you once again, second reaction is the reduction of aldehydes, reduction of ketones, reduction of acids, reduction of esters. In the case of reduction of acids and esters, you have to use strong reducing agents. In the reduction of ketones also, you have to use strong reducing agents. In the case of aldehydes, simple reducing agents can be used to get the primary and secondary alcohols. So these are the reactions of preparation of reactions. And when we come to the properties, first one is the reaction with sodium. Corresponding sodium methylate, I will tell you, CH3OH plus sodium, Na. Hydrogen H plus will be removed. Sodium will be accommodated there. So you will be getting CH3ONa. Similarly, CH3CH2OH plus Na. You will be getting CH3CH2ONa, like that. Reaction also you have to write by using the notes or by using some books. For the time being, whenever we meet together, we will discuss about writing the reaction. So corresponding salt is formed actually. ONa is formed. So that is one reaction. So another one reaction is known as very important reaction, Lucas test. LUCAS test. Lucas test. Lucas test is the identification reaction. How to identify primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. It is a simple test. First of all, you should know what is Lucas reagent. Lucas reagent is concentrated HCl plus anhydrous zinc chloride. Anhydrous zinc chloride, anhydrous plus concentrated HCl. That reagent is known as Lucas reagent. Okay, Lucas reagent is taken and we will test whether an alcohol is primary, secondary or tertiary. 3 samples should be there. 3 samples should be kept there, and you can test for that. Okay. First, you have to test with primary alcohols. In the case of primary alcohols, no reaction. Then you test with secondary alcohol. In the secondary alcohol, we are getting a turbidity slowly within 5 minutes. Slow turbidity. Turbidity means white precipitation. And in the case of tertiary alcohols, you are getting sudden turbidity. Immediate turbidity is formed. Immediate reaction will be done. So this is the reaction. This is the test between primary, secondary and tertiary. And we will discuss about the reactions later. How the reaction is taking place, how the precipitation is formed. These all things we will discuss later. Okay. So that is Lucas test. Next reaction is esterification reaction. Esterification reaction is a reaction between an alcohol and an acid. Take an example, CH3CH2OH. Okay, an acid, CH3COH. So a reaction will be taking place in presence of acid medium, concentrated H2SO4 medium, and you are getting an ester. So an ester is formed plus water. So dehydrating agent is used in the medium. Take an example, concentrated H2SO4 or concentrated HCl also can be used. An ester is formed by the reaction between an alcohol and a carboxylic acid. So this reaction is known as esterification reaction. So Lucas test is important, esterification reaction is important, action with sodium is important. Okay. Then I will come to the oxidation section. So in oxidation, one oxidation is with alkaline K-manophore. Alkaline KMnO4 and acidic KMnO4, K2Cr2O7. Alkaline KMnO4 is a little bit less power. it is not a very high oxidizing agent, but it is the most suitable reducing agent. I mean oxidizing agent, not reducing agent. Sorry. In this class, I have to complete the class within the stipulated time. So therefore, alkaline KMnO4 first you have to take. When you treat an treat an alcohol with alkaline KMnO4, slow oxidation will be taking place. Aldehyde is formed. So aldehyde is formed. Alcohol converts into aldehyde, and if you continuously do it, the aldehyde will change into an acid. So oxidation I am telling. If you are taking acidic potassium dichromate, K2Cr2O7, alcohols, primary alcohols can be oxidized into acid. So aldehyde alcohol, it will be going to alcohol to aldehyde and aldehyde to acids. So these two oxidation, alkaline KMnO4 and acidic K2Cr2O7. In the case of alkaline KMnO4, you are getting an aldehyde first and acid second, slow reaction. In the case of acidic K2Cr2O7, you are getting an acid. So first primary alcohol converting into aldehyde, converting into carboxylic acid. So carboxylic acid is formed. Another one oxidation is oxidation with PCC, pyridine chlorochromate. So oxidation with PCC, that also can be done, and you will be getting a carboxylic acid. PCC also converting alcohol, primary alcohol into a carboxylic acid. And secondary alcohol, naturally it will be a carboxylic acid in the case. Secondary alcohol, naturally it will be converting into ketone, and ketone will be converting into a mixture of acids. So these all reactions I want to see you personally, not in electronic media. So that is, I am waiting for that chance, and there are many more reactions, and we want to discuss the reactions, and I want to write the reactions on the blackboard or green board. Then you have to study the reactions. These all things I have to do. I'm waiting for the chance, but for the time being it is inevitable to talk about these lessons through the electronic media, and I cannot continue it into a bigger class, so that if I continue, the uploading process will be too late, and you will not get the classes in time. This video I will post immediately after this class, and you may receive it after 10 o'clock, 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock. So you should see the videos regularly in SSFGC Chemistry. Thank you very much for today's hearing. We'll meet you again. Thank you.